Roofstock Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Roofstock is a real estate investment platform designed for buying and selling single-family rental (FR) properties. It caters to both new and experienced investors by providing access to fully vetted, tenant-occupied properties across various US markets. Unlike traditional real estate investing, Roofstock simplifies the process by allowing investors to purchase rental properties remotely without direct involvement in property management. Key features. 1. Tenant-occupied properties. Many listings come with existing tenants, allowing investors to generate cash flow from day one. 2. Certified property listings. Roofstock evaluates each property with inspections, financial projections, and market insights, reducing due diligence efforts for investors. 3. Low purchase minimums. Unlike real estate funds, Roofstock lets investors buy individual properties directly, with prices starting around $100,000. 4. Property management integration. Investors can choose from Roofstock's network of vetted property managers, making remote ownership easier. 5. Roofstock One, fractional ownership. Accredited investors can invest fractionally in properties for more diversification without managing individual homes. 6. 1031 exchange support. Investors looking to defer capital gains taxes can use Roofstock's platform for seamless 1031 exchanges. Strengths. Remote investing. Investors can purchase properties in top rental markets without being local. Instant cash flow. Many properties come with tenants, providing immediate rental income. Data-driven insights. Roofstock offers extensive market analysis, expected returns, and property risk assessments. Lower fees. Compared to traditional real estate transactions, Roofstock's fees are more competitive. Weaknesses. Limited liquidity. Real estate remains a long-term investment, with no easy way to sell quickly. Market risks. Property values and rental demand fluctuate based on economic conditions. Property management costs. While Roofstock connects investors with managers, fees still apply, reducing profit margins. Final verdict. Roofstock is an excellent platform for investors looking to enter the rental property market without the hassles of direct property management. It's best suited for long-term investors comfortable with real estate's illiquidity and market risks. If you're looking for a hands-on real estate investment solution with strong market insights, Roofstock is worth considering. Links are in the description if you want to explore it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.